other things to consider when building in movement. It's not just physical space, but maybe build in some video with your presentations. If you can get a co-presenter like Martin Luther King to be part of what you're saying, that can really help. Or audio, just to change things up a little bit. We all know that it can be difficult to sit through someone who's just speaking at you. So use technology to help out. Technology can be really, really useful, but you need to remember this disclaimer. So Ms. Ayazi, you want to read the disclaimer for us about technology?
No, a bad presentation with good technology is still a bad presentation.
It is. Technology will not save your presentation. It will enhance a good presentation, but it can also really, really destroy a presentation if you don't get it right, and you can't rely on it as a crutch.